Hi guys! What's up mga karonda? So I'm Gaye Paris, cyclist ng Pilipinas ng Pangasinan. And of course today, we will ride here in Dubai, Nadal Shiba. So second or third time ko na ata dito. Tapos yan, nandito ako ngayon sa Nadal Shiba cycling the BX bike. So tara guys, and excited na ako for today kasi ngayon na lang tayo nakapag-ride ng maayos dito sa Dubai. Kaya let's go! Shoutout nga pala sa Wknd jersey ko from Sir Dennis. Wknd jersey, which is located here in Dubai. So if you want to purchase one, you can link on my description box below. And this is their summer collection, Wknd. Let's go! I'm using the Insta360 X3 guys. Yan, so try natin lagay sa mount natin tapos mag-video tayo. We all know that technologies now are advancing. That's why I'm using the Insta360 X3 for our camera and for our action camera that we are using for our cycling vlog. And shout out sa Ride Out Philippines for my socks. And of course, this Insta360 X3 is the most megapixels ever because it has 360 action camera with 360 degrees photo with more detail than ever before. So you can edit your videos and pictures in the applications that we are using. So of course, shout out for our Wknd jersey that we are using, white jersey na napakaganda. So Insta360 X3 has more innovative new HDR mode for stabilized action videos, which you can use in more adventures, not just for cycling but also for motovlogging or even when you are doing outdoor adventures, because it has tough lighting conditions and it also highlights and shadows that other action cameras miss. So we are using the Wknd collection, summer collection, gloves and jersey, bib and set. So if you want to purchase one, you can link on my description box below. So this is how we prepare before ride. We need our helmet, phone, and of course, your sunglasses para iwas na rin sa mainit na araw. And time check, it's only like 6:30 p.m. but it's still sunny because we are in Middle East country and we are with our friends, and she's one of my friend and we will go cycling together. She's first time here in Nadal Shiba and we will go around for maybe 50 to 60 kilometers because it's already night. And let's go guys, we need to drink more water and stay hydrated. So we're here now and we will ride. Oh, I forgot something.
To really ride if it's not a different kind. Like I say, I'd rather get heavy.
Yes. You will look back
If you want to
soon.
go faster, go ahead.
Yeah.
I'll probably.
Just call me if you're like, oh. So I'm using Magin C406 Pro bike computer. Guys. Yon, let's go ride.
Meanwhile,
So after a few minutes, I noticed that my tires are slightly flat. So I went to the bike shop and have my wheels checked first and of course get more air so I would be riding better, because lesser air will give you lesser ability to go on or forward in your pedaling. So it's much easier if you have the right amount of air when cycling. And this is Nadal Shiba guys, this is the entrance. So it is a cycling track in the heart of Dubai. So we will see later on yung Burj Khalifa, which is one of the highest building in the world. And of course, it's a nice and flat road, but it has also uphill, but slightly lang naman siya. So guys, we're here in Nadal Shiba, Dubai. And we can see hapon na po, time check 6 p.m. So we're gonna ride here maybe 2 loops, depend on our condition. Pero yeah, ride tayo guys. Then afterwards, alam ko dito eh. Tapos afterwards, uwi na tayo ng LA. So, sana may makasabay tayong Pilipino kasi ang hirap mag-isa. Let's go. So it's a windy weather afternoon. So I'm alone now and my friend is nauna na. So kailangan na nating habulin siya kasi nga nagpump pa tayo ng tires. And of course, you can see here yung city, which is a nice view in the heart of Dubai. And of course, we're just not like Lone Ranger here. So we can ride together with other cyclists and we don't know them but we can ride as a group. Basta safe lang tayo and of course, be alert kasi nga mahirap na masemplang. Actually, it's my first time to ride in the afternoon. So, our plan should be riding this morning. Kaso nga lang, there was emergency happen. So, nag-ride na kami this afternoon. And we went somewhere dito sa Dubai. And now, it's good thing din na nakakapag-exercise tayo amidst of the changes ng ating schedule. So, it's a sunny weather and it's nice. You can see here the city. And yes, may mga kasabayan na tayong siklista. And sumabay na ako sa kanila. Medyo fast nga naman tong group na to and ang ganda ng aking view kasi nga ang ganda ng aking trangko na nasa harap ko, lesser ang hangin na pumapasok sa akin kasi mas aerodynamic ito and of course mga 35 to 40 km per hour yung takbuhan dito. And yan, nag-switch na yung Gaye. Actually, hindi magkakasama yung mga tao na to. Pero nakikisabay lang tayo. Kung titignan natin, puro lokal halos yung mga nakakasabay natin for today's ride. And I'm grateful na nakakasabay natin sila amidst na mabilis sila. Pero kailangan natin tiisin yung hirap kasi we will never go wrong talaga pagkasama mo yung mga magagaling na siklista. Actually, dito, maganda pa yung pacing namin. Kaso nga lang, accidentally, nahulog ko yung glasses ko. Kaya, hindi na ako nakasabay sa kanila. Pero, ang saya lang kasi nakasabay tayo sa mga local. And, of course, napaka-respectful naman nila when it comes sa mga sumusunod na siklista sa kanila. And, I'm grateful kasi we are meeting new faces in cycling. Isa na din sa na-meet ko ang isang kabayan natin na nag-work dito sa Dubai from Team 35. And of course, buti na lang meron siya kasi wala tayong trangko for today's video kasi nga naiwan tayo ng mga lokal. So yan guys, ang ganda lang din ang takbuhan namin kasi buti na lang zone 2 ang kanyang training for tonight. And ako ay zone 2 rin naman. Kaya maganda rin na may mga kasama tayo kahit na nasa tamang pacing naman tayo guys ito. And padilim na rin sa part na to. Kasi alas 7 na ng gabi. And syempre, nasa center pa rin tayo ng Dubai. And we can see here na marami pa rin nagbabike and napaka-active ng mga tao dito. And of course, ang ganda ng ruta dito kasi makikita mo ang city lights and Burj Khalifa. Yan na nasa harap natin. Ang ganda, di ba? One of the tallest building in the whole world. I just want to share with you in Psalm 62 verse 7 in the Bible, it says, "My salvation and my honor depend on God. He is my mighty rock, my refuge." Who we are and what becomes of us is in God's hands. We cannot purchase or achieve lasting honor for ourselves without His blessing. So God is our refuge and strength because without His protection and blessing, we cannot secure the future or of our safety. The basis of all achievement and glory is dependent upon us placing our lives in His care. So I hope this will be a great reminder for us to trust and make God as our strength. Dale. Shout out, sir.
Shout out!
Thank
35! Easy!
you sa pagtrangko.
Okay na! Anytime!
Hello. Lakas.
Saka lakas yung hingal.
May katrangkuhan tayo guys. Tayo mag-exit na ng kilometer 46. Dahil uwi pa tayo ng LA.
Ingat sa biyahe!
Thank you, sir. Let's go home! Naka 48 kilometers tayo guys. Let's go home, guys. So, we're happy today because we've reached 48 kilometers here in Nadal Shiba, Dubai cycling track here in Maidan. And masaya lang kasi nakapag-bike ulit tayo dito sa Dubai. Hindi siya ganun ka-init. Sakto lang yung weather. And uwi na tayo ng alain. So, yeah, shout out sa aking gamit at least Wknd jersey. Okay. Wala mo yun, may bike track sa loob ng city. Yung dami. Shower time, guys. Ching! O, diba? Fresh! So, ganito sa Dubai, may sariling CR. Yan, guys. Yan, guys. So, nakapag-shower na tayo and uwi na rin tayo sa... Ayan, uwi na rin tayo sa alain. Let's go!